Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Greetings riders, welcome back to Bikers Club channel. Today we're stepping into the future with BMW Motorrad's latest masterpiece, the 2024 BMW R12. A decade after the iconic R9T, BMW is ushering in a new era of urban-focused cruising. Before we rev up the engines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Now let's dive into the details. R9 to R12 transition. 10 years ago, BMW wowed us with the R9T, a classic with a legacy. But it's time for a change, and in 2024, the R12 takes center stage, evolving the classic BMW riding experience. Let's explore how BMW Motorrad head of design, Edgard Heinrich, sets the stage for this emotional and original motorcycle journey. Engine and performance. BMW engineers have retuned the 1170cc powerplant, aligning it with Euro 5 standards and emphasizing urban focus. Peak horsepower might be down to 95 horses, but it now kicks in 1,250 revolutions per minute sooner at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The trade-off? A softer power delivery with torque coming in at 85 foot-pound at 6,000 revolutions per minute. BMW is clearly prioritizing around-town rideability over sheer performance. Electronics and rider aids. The 2024 BMW R12 comes loaded with electronic rider aids. 2 power modes, rock and roll, set the tone. Standard features include traction control, electronically controlled engine braking, and BMW Motorrad ABS Pro. And yes, keyless ride is now a standard convenience. Frame and geometry. A new frame welcomes riders with a low seat height, perfect for newer enthusiasts. The steel trellis design with a bolt-on subframe screams customization. Guided by the spirit of easy, BMW is making the R12 accessible and comfortable. Suspension and brakes. Short travel suspension keeps the R12 close to the ground, offering a stable ride for urban environments. 45mm inverted fork and cantilevered shock ensure smooth handling. Braking is no joke, with a pair of 310mm discs up front and a robust braking system to match. Tech and connectivity. BMW's Connected Ride Control, an optional feature, allows seamless smartphone integration via Bluetooth and the BMW Motorrad Connected app. Intelligent emergency call is standard, ensuring assistance in case of an accident. LED lighting, a round display, and optional TFT display add a touch of modernity with premium milled aluminum parts. The 2024 BMW R12 is set to hit showrooms in the first quarter of 2024. While pricing is yet to be announced, you'll have the choice between the standard Blackstorm Metallic or the optional Aventurine Red Metallic and option 719 Thorium and Ava Silver Metallic. The possibilities for customization are endless. And there you have it, the 2024 BMW R12. A cruiser that's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Are you excited about this urban-focused machine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the ride, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more motorcycle adventures. Stay tuned for the next chapter on Bikers Club. Until then, ride safe, ride free.